New flyover ramps have been constructed at the State Road 408 I-4 interchange, making it much easier to navigate. All movements between the two highways have their own ramps, eliminating the weaving patterns created by vehicles moving between different ramps. Drivers coming from locations east of downtown on State Road 408 who want to travel on I-4 will exit State Road 408 near the OUC building. Drivers who are headed to Winter Park, Maitland, Altamont Springs, or Sanford should keep to the right and follow the signs to I-4 East, Daytona Beach. Drivers who want to go toward the attractions, Osceola or Polk counties should keep to the left and follow the signs to I-4 West, Tampa. Be sure to pay close attention to the signs in this area, as some GPS devices may not yet be updated. For more information about the I-4 408 interchange and the entire I-4 Ultimate project, visit i4ultimate.com.